Apple recently introduced new iPad and Apple Watch models, but the attention is already turning towards the iPhone 12 5G announcement in October. It was revealed in August that Apple has scheduled the iPhone 12 5G event on October 12. John Prosser recently said that Apple will hold the announcement event on October 13. He also says that the company is likely to confirm those plans next Tuesday, October 6th. Other recent reports also suggested the same. Apple typically announces the event 10 to 12 days before the actual event. According to John, the first shipment of iPhone 12 units will leave the factory next Monday, October 5. The shipment reportedly contains the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini and the 6.1-inch iPhone 12. Those devices feature dual camera setups on the rear, much like the iPhone 11, and OLED display with slimmer bezels and notch. It was rumored the 5.4-inch model will have a smaller notch. Let's say, in every iPhone 12 model you can find the recently announced A14 Bionic chipset and Lightning connector as usual. The usual 64GB of internal storage will be standard for the iPhone 12 models, and the 128GB and 256GB models are in the works. The 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max, on the other hand, aren't being shipped to distributors until next week. They are still delayed, according to John. Those devices will nevertheless offer a series of improvements over the standard models, including an upgraded camera system that benefits from main, ultra-wide and telephoto shooters, in addition to the new LiDAR sensor. Also on the way are welcome upgrades in the RAM and storage departments. The standard iPhone 12 will boast a 464GB configuration as standard. The premium iPhone 12 Pro models will start from a 628GB of option. If the amount of storage isn't enough for you, Apple is also preparing 256GB and 512GB variants as well. One thing that seems very unlikely at the moment is the support for the 120Hz refresh rate on any Pro models for the matter. Pricing information is still very much in the conflict right now, although the final prices should be within the following range for each device in their base configuration. The iPhone 12 mini will start from $649 to $699. The iPhone 12 will start from $749 to $799. The 12 Pro from $999 to $149. 12 Pro Max $1,099 to $1,149. Subsequent storage options should cost an additional $100, with the only exception being the 128GB variant of the iPhone 12 and 12 mini, which will probably be available for additional $50 instead. And the 128GB is what people should choose at least in 2020. Now if you look at the production facilities, it's the busiest time of the year at the world's largest iPhone assembly in China. The iPhone 12 is being manufactured all day and all night over there, while employees at the Foxconn plant face mandatory overtime and cancelled vacation time, but the financial rewards are there to compensate. At the same time, a supply chain reports that the mass production will not begin until November for the models that will support sub-6 GHz frequency band. Let's see. Anyway, if you want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.